Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to transfer contacts from Samsung to iPhone. Right now I will show you the easiest way to easily transfer lots of contacts from Samsung to iPhone easily. First of all, on your Samsung device, go to settings and here scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Tap on manage accounts. And first of all, make sure to add your Gmail or Google account. Now, go back to your Samsung Contacts app. And now, tap on this hamburger menu at the top left corner. And tap on Manage Contacts. Here, tap on Move Contacts. From select Phone. And to select all contacts at once, just tap on Select All, tap on Done, and you have to select the Google account. So I'm selecting my Google account here and just tapping on Move to move all of my Samsung contacts to my Google account. Once done, now go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on Contacts, and here tap on Accounts, tap on Add Account, tap on Google, and now you have to add the same Google account in which Google account you've moved your Samsung contacts from your Samsung mobile. Once you successfully added the Google account, again come to this contact settings and now tap on accounts, and here you will see the Google account. Just tap on the Google account and make sure to enable contacts option. Then go to your contacts app on your iPhone and tap on list, and here you will see the Google account. So all you have to need, tap on the Google account, and here you will find all of your Samsung contacts. So this is how we can transfer contacts from our Samsung mobile to iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.